There is a difference between what is required for a report and what is seen as simply recommended. The legality behind the required reporting aspects has to do with inspections and reports, and due to this, excellent records must be kept. These sorts of records must be kept and made accessible for 5 years due to the aforementioned and additional legal reasons. Information to include in required is species, date admitted, when and where it was found, the name, address, and phone number of the finder, cause or circumstances surrounding admission, presenting injuries, problems, or other issues, initial weight, the case acquisition number, the final disposition, whether it was released, transferred, placed, died, or with euthanized. This speaks to the final disposition, and it must ensure that time, date, and location of release is also included. Type and amount of euthanasia drug if one was used, where it's applicable, the federal ban number, completed daily care forms, a record of notification to ECC CWS if endangered, threatened, or an eagle species has come into care, and a record of notification to ECC CWS if any birds intaken have been shot, poisoned, or there's indication of other illegal activity. Any other information specific to a particular agency should also be included in this required information. Information that is not technically required but is highly recommended includes items like additional history, data gathered from physical examinations, information about daily treatments and how well they worked, integral medical treatments such as necropsy, surgery, and histopathology, weight upon release as opposed to intake, and any additional information that may pertain to potential criminal activity such as poisoning or illegally shot animals. It is important to hold on to this information not just for legality, but for establishing historical timelines and events, informing future research, and learning more about best practices within the scope of wild animal care and rehab.